Hi guys, today we'll be making a crunchy noodle salad. It consists of knorr fried noodles, vegetables and topped with a zesty lime dressing. Alright, we have fried the noodles. We keep this on the side and we go on to our next step where we make the dressing. We start with soy sauce, olive oil, a bit of lemon juice, 2 spoons of sugar and a few drops of sesame oil. We add the seasoning, knorr. Make sure they're mixed properly. We have made the dressing, we keep this on the side and we go and prepare the vegetables. You can cut in any style that you want. We have cucumber, carrots, white cabbage, purple cabbage, red radish, corn and spring onions. Now we mix the vegetables. Then we take our fried noodles. At the end, we top it up with the dressing we made. We can mix them. Make sure they're mixed properly. Time to serve. I'd like to top up my dish with boiled eggs. You can add whatever you feel like, make it better.